Hi, everybody. I wanted to welcome you to Biology 8410, Understanding Ecology and Ecosystems. My name is Daniel Hanks. I'm going to be your instructor for the summer course. I'm originally from Anderson, South Carolina, which is about 20 minutes away from Clemson. And in 2016, my wife and I had the opportunity to move back to Clemson. She works at the university also and is a Clemson grad. And I am a postdoctoral researcher at Clemson, and I primarily work in the area of conservation biology and particularly aquatic landscape conservation. We are happy to be back in Clemson where we're raising our two children. I originally attended Presbyterian College for my bachelor's degree after first attending Clemson for a year where I played on the soccer team. While I was at Presbyterian, I also played soccer and I did some research while I was there looking at frog calls as well as some freshwater mussel work. And then after a bachelor's degree, went to Western Carolina University where I got a master's degree. There I served as a teaching assistant for various ecology and biology classes. I also studied modeled sculpin movement in a nearby stream. And then after my master's, I taught high school biology at Wando High School in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina for 2 years. And I taught a couple of different courses there. I was also the JV soccer coach and met my wife there. Then I returned to Presbyterian to act as the freshman biology coordinator and taught the ecology class there as well. After 5 years at Presbyterian in that capacity, we moved to West Virginia, where I attended West Virginia University and worked on a PhD there. While I was at West Virginia University, I was a TA for a variety of courses, including ecology as well as a geographic information systems or GIS course, and also some remote sensing classes. And then and my research while I was at WVU was looking at how dams influence downstream aquatic larval fish and macroinvertebrates and associated habitat. So if we move on to talk about the course itself, the course is, as I said, Biology 8410, Understanding Ecology and Ecosystems. It's part of the online Masters in Biological Science for Science Educators. So the course will run from May 12th to July 31st, and we'll have a week-long summer break the week of June 15th. We will be covering the breadth of ecology, so pretty much all of ecology, so all the subdisciplines, with a slant towards science education. So keep in mind that each chapter we cover will likely have an entire subdiscipline, is likely an entire subdiscipline in and of itself, and then potentially have its own set of subdisciplines embedded within that subdiscipline. And all of this occurs within the science of ecology. Each week we'll be covering anywhere from 2 to 3 chapters of the textbook, and we will have a lab type activity each week as well. My hope is that you can build on the lab activities for your own classroom or even develop your own associated lesson plan. In terms of assessments, there will be some assessments, quizzes and such, some graded discussions and things of that nature. But I'm really less worried about you grading your performance in the class and really more interested in providing you with a useful experience in the class. Each of the modules that we'll be covering has a discussion space towards the end, and I encourage you to take advantage of that space as a means to understand the material, ask and answer questions of myself as well as of your classmates, primarily of your classmates, because I think there's so much value in that, and also to develop a sense of community through the lens of the course. So with that, I look forward to spending the summer with you guys remotely. It seems like we're all sort of remote right now, so maybe not a lot different, but please, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. Look forward to seeing you guys online soon.